ओके सर, एक्सपोजिशनाचे कशी कितें तयारी चालू आहा? तुम्ही नियाळ घेत आसा, मिटिंग्स जाता तुमची, काल सुद्धा तुमची मिटिंग झाली, आतांय तुम्ही थंयच वता, सो कशें कितें चल्लां?
Basically, the government has committed to deliver on certain issues. I have the Honorable Chief Minister formed a committee. He is the chairman of the committee. I and Minister Morbin Goodino are vice chairman. He is tied up with certain issues. So I've taken it upon myself to try and help and ensure that whatever commitments the government has given are delivered. That is why I keep going to see what is happening.
तुमच्या वटेनच्यान कितें सजेशन्स बीन दिल्या तुमी?
Basically, suggestions, decisions have been taken by the Honorable Chief Minister right at the beginning, where all of us were present. We were all present for that meeting. So, my mission is basically to fulfill on those commitments given by the government.
कारण ऑन ग्राउंड वयतकीत मातशे थोडे चेंजीस करचे पडटा.
No, that is why we have decided that we will complete everything by 10th of November. We believe, and I'm sure you will agree with me, that there are bound to be some teething problems. So we have from 10th to the 21st to rectify, to correct, to amend, if required, certain decisions taken by us.
ओके सर, आणि इवन लोकल्सा कडल्यान कितें सजेशन्स येयल्या? कारण लोकल सुद्धा फाटी येयले, थोडे तांकां गजाली आवडना थंय.
I am not aware. To be
Okay.
honest with you, no one has approached me, nor has anybody given any suggestion. I am not aware.
ओके, थँक्यू सर.